So I got 4 tires right here. I got 2 gas cans right there. For some people, it may be a little far back, but I can still reach back, hit this, and pull the fire extinguisher out. Boom, boom, boom. What are we doing today in the chop shop? Hey, and drift prep on Lakey. Samantha is looking mighty fine today. Bad bitch is normal. Pull this one out. Pull Samantha out. Pull Lexi in. Strip Lexi. That's what we're doing today. Well, not necessarily stripping the whole car. I'll explain, but drift prep. That's what we're doing today. What's up, Simps? If you don't know who I am, I'm Cruddy Carl, and we're doing some drift prep today. Now, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you should probably hit that subscribe button because I make like decent content over here, but the content's getting like better because we got another badass bitch here. Started a whole new build, a whole new arc, if you know what I'm saying. So today, I have a drift event this Sunday. The drift event starts, I have to be there like 8 for the driver's meeting, and then they said on the thing that they could have a food truck there from 9 a.m. to like 4 p.m. So that what that means to me is I'm assuming that I'm gonna be there all damn day. Doesn't bother me, but what I have to be able to do is have enough tire for the day, have enough gas for the day, make sure I have the right tools for the day, and that's what I'm gonna be prepping for today. And I thought I'd take you guys through the prep of what I do, or what I think I need. You know, that's gonna change throughout the future, but what I think I need for this. What I think I need for this is I know I'm gonna need tires. I feel like it'd be best to bring gas because don't wanna run out of gas on the track or anything like that. So, I gotta be able to fit 2 gas cans, 4 of these wheels, and then I also have to be able to fit tools and extra tire. Starting out, I think the easiest place to start is gonna be this trunk. Now I got the Mega Racing strut bar for the rear back here, but what I do have to take out is I have to take out this floor mat. I have to take out everything that's back here. So everything that's under here, spare tire, all these tools and stuff like that, gone. Not gonna need a spare tire, not gonna need the stock jack because I'll have my own jack and I'll have a bunch of spare tires and anything, and if anything happens, but gotta take all that stuff out first. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, gotta pull it out. I am not. This car has this strut bar right here. I don't feel like taking it off, so I'm just gonna bend the hell out of this thing until it comes out. I'm not doing it. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Cruddy Carl, aka Skinny Peanut, to tell you, hey, you're probably coming to my video saying, damn, how does this guy afford a 2013 Sony A7III? Let me tell you something. I get up, I run 39 miles a day, right? And then I say, you know what? Let me post a picture of my watch, bow, look at all those miles. Then I say, you know, I gotta make sure I'm moving this fucking body right? Moving this body, right? And then I say, I gotta get my brain active. Hey guys, if you're watching this video, go outside, be productive, finish watching the video, then go outside, do something productive. Let's get back to the video. I'm gonna start bringing you guys songs of the day. Song of the day today, right? Hear me out. You ready for this one? Time Today by Moneybagg Yo. Absolute fucking banger. Go listen to it. Think it's gonna change your life? He first out and starts he says, I looked at my wrist, I got time today. God damn, if that's not a line, I don't know what is. All right, so I got spare tire out, all that stuff down here. We got this one piece right here. I'm pretty sure if I remember correctly, this little thing has to go. That deals with your sound system, like your amp or whatever. I don't know, dude. I fucking hate electrical stuff, so I'm not gonna touch it, but that little foam piece, we'll deal with that though. Yeah, I gotta take out this right here. I mean, I also think I might leave this one because it does cover some wiring, so I might leave that and it'll kind of protect that a little bit. But now, if we come around here, gotta pull out the rear seats. Shouldn't be that hard, we'll see what happens. All right, so I went to go and remove one of the rear seats on the driver's side. I was like, all right, don't know how well you can see that, but I went to remove it and there's no bolt. So, anyone that didn't know how to remove a seat, pull up. There it is. again, if you got, all right, wasn't expecting to see that. Vontae, can you please explain that in the comments for me, please? Because next I'm gonna remove the buckle on this side, then I'll remove that seat, do the same thing on that side, and then we'll get to the back seat, and then we'll just keep this thing going. Now, if I'm correct, sometimes I am correct, this comes right out. Just like that, the rear seat is out. All right, everything now is pretty much stripped out. Right there is the bracket for the seat, so it can kind of flip up and down. So I'm gonna take that out. This is the bracket for when you want to strap a kid in the car. Or I think it's this one. It's one of these two. I already removed it on that side. So now I just have to remove this bracket right here on both sides. And then the interior on the back side will pretty much be done. I could take it even further and remove these panels right here. But at the same time, it's not really that necessary that I do that. But if I just want to take it a step further, I can. And it doesn't really affect much else. So I'm thinking about it, but you know, we'll see. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. So now I just gotta remove that. Oh, the seat belts, remove the seat belt mechanism. I already removed the seat belt buckle, like the part that you plug it into. So I just have to remove the seat belts. Maybe this piece of carpet. I don't think this is really, oh, this protects, no? Never mind, I'm wrong. Yeah, I might remove that too. But yeah, we're making progress. Progress is being made, so that's good. All right, progress has been made. All this stuff has been pulled out. Then back here, I actually did decide to remove all the little panels that were back here, and that went all the way around, because whenever I install parts back here, that's a pro tip. Well, not a pro tip, but like a hint, foreshadow, whatever you want to call it. Whenever I install parts back here, it'll be much easier to reach them, and I won't have to move any of this stuff because it's already gone, so that's good. Then I removed that little piece that was right there. I took that off, that's gone. I still have to remove those brackets right there and the seat belts, but it's not gonna kill me if I don't, so I mean, it is what it is, but I do want to remove them, so I am gonna remove them, but I'm in no rush right now. But what I have to do right now is I have to get ready to go all the way out to OG Racing and get a fire extinguisher. So that's what we're gonna go do right now. Kiki, hello. I just got a chair for absolutely free. It's one of those rocking chairs too, so I'm pretty pumped on that. I got it so that in between sessions and downtime and stuff like that, I have a little chair to sit on, you know? So I'm just sitting on the back of my car, sitting on my hood or something like that, so yeah. All right, just picked up my 2.5 pound fire extinguisher, and it came with a mount, so that's pretty dope because I do have to mount it in the car, and it has to be a 2 pound, at least a 2 pound fire extinguisher. That is for B and C grades, which is what that is for, so that's awesome. Shout out to the people over at OG Racing. If you don't know who they are, you should probably go follow them, hit them up on Instagram. They have all their products in-house, and you don't really have to wait. You can come in or you can have it shipped. It's pretty quick shipping as well, so there's that. So yeah, now I'm off to Sheets, and they have E85, so you already know what we're about to do. Okay, update. I went to Sheets, I got E85, great. Then I also got Sheets, because Sheets, then I got Red Bull 2 for $5, 2 for $5. Okay, we're back. Oh damn, I forgot the fire extinguisher. All right, back in the garage, and I think I'm actually at a pretty good spot of where I can say like I can stop for now. Those brackets right there, I have to remove that right there, and in order to get to the bolts back there, they're behind there. You know what? I'm not gonna be lazy. I'm gonna do everything today. I'm sitting here about to talk myself out of it, but I'm gonna do it today. I'm gonna find a place to mount the fire extinguisher. Then I'm gonna remove those bolts and brackets first. Then I'm gonna find a spot to mount my fire extinguisher. Then I'm gonna sit here and vacuum out the back of this because it's dirty as shit. And one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it with an odor neutralizer from Adam's Polish. It's the fresh scent. Nothing against you, Vontae, but I absolutely love this one. I love the way it smells. I have it in Samantha. I spray it all the time, let it air out. So I'm definitely gonna spray it in this car, let it air out. Adam's Polish, what's up? All right, I think we're in a pretty good spot. Everything's been removed, but it is dirty as shit back here. So now I'm gonna go through and vacuum everything out, and then I'm gonna test fit the wheels, the 2 jugs, and my tools and whatnot, and just see how much room I have and see how much room I can play with. And then mount the fire extinguisher, and then that'll pretty much be it. Okay, let me actually show you how dirty it is, like under all these interior panels. Don't know how the dirt gets here, but I just thought I'd show you guys. Look at that! Ew, oh my God, it's just dirty as hell. So that's what I'm vacuuming up and just cleaning up back here and stuff like that. Just thought I'd show you guys how dirty it is back here. No one's fault, but you know, that's just under all the panels. You're probably saying to yourself, Carl, why are you even taking the time to clean the interior of a drift car? If you're just gonna throw stuff in it, it's gonna get fucked up anyway. Well, to answer your question, I just wanna have a clean car. You know, I wanna have a clean build, even though it's meant to get messed up and stuff like that. I'm not a Nancy about that, but you know, if I can have it clean, look good, that's what I'm gonna do. But finally, everything is vacuumed out. All that nasty stuff that was over there and over there, gone. Now the test is fitting in at least the 4 wheels that I have over there in the corner, then fitting in my tools, the gas jugs, and the new chair that I just bought. So I'm pretty confident that it'll all fit because I fit 4 tires in this car before with the interior, so shouldn't be that hard. All right, so I got 4 tires right here. I got 2 gas cans right there, and I'm gonna sit my tools in the middle. Now, doesn't really look like much room for 4 other tires, but god damn it, I'm gonna make it happen. And the other thing is yeah, I'm just gonna have to make it happen, and no one's gonna be in my passenger seat, so I'll be able to put at least 2 tires there and probably 2 tires on top of the gas tanks. This car's gonna be fucking jam-packed, but yeah, so I'm gonna go downstairs, grab my tools, because Vontae actually gave me some tools that he was like, yeah, like you can just have them, they'll be in the car. So I'm gonna go grab those, throw those in here, a jack and 2 jack stands, and that's pretty much it. The car will be done, packed, and pretty much ready to go. Okay, last thing that I need to do is I need to find a place to mount my fire extinguisher. That's gonna be kind of tough because I really don't know. What I am thinking though is I'm thinking about like taking this piece out, cutting it, and mounting my fire extinguisher right here in the middle so that it's right there. And it'll change in the future, like when I get a hydro and running lines and stuff like that. But for right now, I think one of the best places to mount it would be right here because it's literally right next to me, easy access. So I think I'm gonna mount it right there. I'm gonna keep looking around, I'll get back in. All right, your boy did it. Now, I'm gonna show you guys where I mounted this, just so you guys can get an idea of what I did. Maybe you wanna do it, I don't know, but it's up to you. So, driving position, feels good. I got all the stuff back there. It doesn't, you know, impede me in any way. I cut the cup holder thing off. I was like, fuck it, it's going right here. But then I saw the e-brake, so I'll show you what I did. All right, so even though the cup holder piece is gone, that's still fine because what that allowed me to do is it allowed me to take off all this extra space right here, and I was able to mount the fire extinguisher right here. It's a little, for some people it may be a little far back, but I can still reach back, hit this, and pull the fire extinguisher out, and it's mounted right here. Now, once all this is gone later on at some point, I'll be able to really fully remove basically all this right here, and then I'll be able to mount the fire extinguisher right there, so it's a little bit closer. But for now, this will do. Lexi is ready to go for our first drift event, February 7th, Spirit Drift Events. I'm super excited. I'm super excited. I can't wait. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a while, and it's something that like I want to do. So this is it. I'm doing it. So everything's done. Everything's packed. The car's ready. I just have to pick up the tires for my buddy John, switch those tires out, and I'll get them mounted either on like Saturday, or I can actually do it on Sunday at the track. So that's pretty cool. So I'll be able to do that. I'll get gas on my way out there, fill up the tanks, fill up the car, and everything will be good. And that's it. That's it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because some of you guys aren't hitting it. So hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitch. Not Twitch. Fuck. TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Add me on Snapchat. And that's pretty much it. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.